Hello everyone, it's Madi with Spectrum Art Creations, and today we're going to be talking scrap, usually known as German scrap. What are they? And I'm also going to be sharing some beautiful examples that were created by several very talented friends during a challenge that we held here in our YouTube channel and in our Facebook group. The birth of the scrap can be traced all the way back to 1798, when a German inventor named Sennefelder invented the lithograph printing. Later on, his process was perfected by adding color. Of course, embossing came along, which is one of the best features about German scrap, is that it has great embossed details. By the late 1800s, they had gained worldwide popularity. Everyone was collecting them for their scrapbooking, for greeting cards, for decorating boxes, and they're being traded. Here are some great examples from some of our fellow artists of the way that we use them today. Of course, their popularity is timeless. As artists, we continue to love on these beautiful images because of their nostalgic feel and of course the variety. They come in florals, they come in vintage images, animals, and even seasonal ones. Whether you are a scrapbooker or a journal maker, mixed media artist, they have so many different uses. As you can see here, you can put them on just about anything to make it an absolute beautiful project and give it that very different look. So sit back and enjoy these beautiful makes and lovely pieces of artwork made by our fellow artists. This has got to be one of my favorite challenges thus far, and we do a lot of challenges. We do like challenges every month. But this one has to be one of my favorites. They absolutely were thinking out of the box, creating jewelry and journals and pockets and tin cans and you name it, they went out there and ventured into it. And as artists, we are always looking for ways to grow, whether it's different ideas on items that we have around the house or in the art studio, or just new projects or new products. So if German scrap is new to you, I hope that you're going to see all of these beautiful makes and get tons of inspiration. If you are not new to German scrap, then the same applies. I hope you guys will look at all of these great makes and be inspired to look around and create something today. Now, if you are looking for German scrap, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and of course ring the bell. We carry German scrap as well as British scrap in our online store and also during our live YouTube sales. So I do hope that you'll join us for not only the scrap but so much more. And we have tons of fun, so definitely. In addition, if you are not part of the Facebook group, make sure that you join that because we have all kinds of challenges and we roll those out via the Facebook group and also via the live YouTube sales. But enough talking from me. I want you guys to enjoy these beautiful creations as well as the music, but do make sure you stay tuned until the end because I've got a little something for you guys. Well, I certainly hope you guys have enjoyed all these beautiful creations and that you've gotten plenty of inspiration from this video. I do have something as promised for you guys. I would love to hear back from you guys, whether you've ever used German or British scrap, if you've ever heard of it. If you have some, do you have a favorite project? Is there one that you would like to try perhaps? Do let us know in the comments, and we will be doing a giveaway for a few of the German scrap sheets. Thank you so much for joining us here at Spectrum Art Creation Studios, and we will see you guys all very soon. Bye now.